हे चालू झालंय बघा अर्जय.
Hi. Good evening, everyone. We can start with the work today. First of all, I want to wish you all a great Ganesha Chaturthi. Okay? Happy Gauri Ganesha Pujas. Okay? Celebration. I think everyone you would have done that. Now today we can see a very cute, interesting activity, that is fridge magnets we are going to make. Okay? For that, few more minutes we can wait, like 1 or 2 minutes we can wait, and then we can start. Okay, I believe everyone, you would have celebrated Ganesha Chaturthi in a great way, isn't it? Those who have joined newly, I am Savita Manoj, one of the expert tutor in Fevicril Pidilite company. Today we are going to see about fridge magnets, how to prepare like cute fridge magnets. I've decided to teach you like how we can make Ganesha. Okay, today we can make some Ganesha fridge magnets. Okay, very simple, very easy. I hope everyone you are having the molded pack with you, isn't it? Take a molded pack, and inside that you will be having two clay packs will be there inside that. Okay. Yes, very good, Deshna. That is the thing. Observe me what I am doing. Then later you can start with the work. Okay. See here, two packs are there. One is the resin base and the other is the hardener. Okay. You have to take very little from both the packs. This is going to be a very cute, intricate designing. Okay. So you need not mix too much. Very small amount if you take, it is enough. You take in very little of clay from both the pack, equal it should be. Okay. After mixing, just 10 to 15 minutes, it will get hard. Okay. Before that, we need to mold it and keep. It's very important about that. Okay. We should not leave the clay after mixing as such. Okay. We need to mix it. Very, very little clay from both the pack you take and mix it, and one or two types will be seeing it. Okay, I'll be showing you the thing how to do. I believe everyone you can see the packs what I'm going to use. For the clay not to stick to your hand, just apply powder in your hand. Okay, dust your hand with powder, but better don't dust the powder on the clay. On the clay, you should not dust it, ma. You have to dust it only in your hand. See, equal quantity of clay, like half and quarter only I'm taking. Okay, quarter of the clay, at first we can take it and just mix it to your hand. Apply powder only to your hand, not to the clay. Okay, you should not roll it simply like this and all. Then it will not get mixed at all. So you have to take it inside and outside and put it inside and outside and then mix the clay. Okay. Mix it uniformly that totally it comes only to a same color. It should not have wavy gray and black colors and all should not be there. So both the clay you have to mix it nicely. Till the color of the clay is uniform and white in color, you need to mix it. Okay. Yeah, we have mixed this clay. Now, very little of the clay I am taking. Since because it is the fridge magnet, you should not take too much of clay and all. If you take too much of clay, then the magnet, when it becomes heavy, it may fall down from the fridge. It may not be, we will not be able to keep that in the fridge. It will not balance and stand in the fridge. Okay. So we need to take only very cute small ones we are going to make, not too big and all. I've taken this much of clay and now we need to make it into a pear shape. Teardrop shape, you make it like this. Okay, make it like this, then flatten it like this. With your fingertip, touch little of the powder in your fingertip, just flatten it like this. This is going to be a cute flower Ganesha, okay? Very cute flower Ganesha it is going to be. See, now I have flattened it on the top and bottom it is like this, okay? And holding it in your hand, you just turn it to, you just give a little turn to the tip part. So it looks like a trunk of Ganesha. Tusk, not trunk, tusk of Ganesha, okay? So this is going to be like this, okay? Now I think everyone can see this. Yes. After that, smoothen the part with powder, okay? Touch powder little and just make it smooth to this portion. And this is going to be the face of the Ganesha. See that you are taking only very little clay, otherwise I am taking 3 even balls of molded. If it is not enough, you can take little more clay, but see that you are making only small ones, like the small 3 balls you make it. This also you are going to make it like pure drop shape you are going to make. See, can you see the thing? Yeah. Now you just press this and make it like a petal. Like how many other petals here we can stick it. For this, you need to give impression, isn't it? I am taking this clip of the paper itself, molded clay itself. If you want, if you are comfortable with that, you can use that, or you can have any knife or something. Just make impressions like this. Like flower impressions you have to make. And then if you have glue, you can use it. Actually, this will stick nicely on the, you can stick it with glue. If you want, you can stick it with glue, okay? Apply little glue on the top. Here you just apply little glue. It can be anything like Fevicol MR or A plus or fabric glue, whatever maybe you can use it. It will stick nicely only. You just place it like this. Okay, you place it like this, press it nicely, and then bring it on the top like this. Only then it will be embossed like this. Okay, only then it will be embossed. This is a tiny thing we are doing it. So see that you are careful while doing. Again, the other petals also we need to do. It is not that only 3 petals you have to do. We can see like if we want to add little more petals also, we can add it. First place it this side. You need to place it like this. Then bring it like this. So it will become little bit embossed. Don't crush the thing, okay? It is a very tiny thing. I think everyone you can see. I'm going to make little 2 more petals. I'm going to make it. Okay.
Can you repeat the process once again?
Yeah. Okay. See, first thing we have to take little more clay and make it into a teardrop shape. You just make it like this into a teardrop shape. Okay. Then flatten it with your finger and just bend the pointed portion towards inside. So this is going to be the head part. Head part here, this part you just flatten it like this. You need to flatten it like this. This is going to be a head part. That only we have made it here. After making it, we are making a tiny balls out of this molded and we are making petal shape. This is also very small teardrop shape we are making it and then pressing it with the fingertip. Then use any impression tool to give impressions. Like I'm giving 3 lines, I'm giving line impressions, I'm giving, okay? After doing that, while pasting, apply little glue. By itself, it will stick. But to be safer side, we are applying little glue and placing it like this. Press it to that pointed side alone. You just press it and then turn it towards this side. Okay, only then it will look embossed. See, can you all see it is little bit lifted at the top? Yes. Initially it may not stick properly, but after, when it becomes semi dry and all, you can do whatever you want, like you can shape it to it. And one more thing, like with powder itself, you can just smoothen the place where you wanted it to be smooth. Okay, I want this face to be smooth and without any impressions like fingerprints or anything should not be there on this. For that, I'm just smoothening it with powder, talcum powder, any type of powder can be used. Yes. After doing this, here we are going to give eye impression. Okay. For eye impression, just make one small curve. Just make a small curve. Or anything you can use for making the eyeball. Just make a small impression over there. Like eyes, you need to make it. Okay. Then later, for making the like namam or something like that, we can make it. Okay. For that also, I'm using the same paper. I'm using flip paper. I'm using, just making it like this. Okay, can you see everyone? The small impression only. If this impression, if you can't give, no need to worry. You can use very well the cone liner and make a namam like thing. Okay. Here we are going to make some leaf like thing. Okay. This for that also same thing like one second. I'll just make this impression look brighter. Holding it in the hand, I can't do it properly. Yes. For leaf, very tiny leaf like things you make and just keep it underneath like this. This is something like modern Ganesha only, like flower Ganesha, okay? This is not the typical Ganesha, okay? It's going to be a cute one. See, I've left the leaf here. One of the leaf I have left it here. Okay, that also one side alone, if you press enough, this has to be lifted. Only then it will have a 3D look. Okay, same way like 1 or 2 leaves I am going to place. Whatever you are making, let it be very tiny. Otherwise, because of the weight, the magnet may not stand properly in the fridge. Okay. So be careful with the amount what you are using. Like 2 of the leaves I have kept it. I've kept 2 of the leaves. Okay. Then on this portion, we have to give impressions. Like I am going to make like V impressions I am going to make. Okay. V. Just make lines. That's all. Like till what portion you want to give impression, you just give some line impressions alone. Very lightly even you can give, or children's, if you can't make it, make the impressions, you can give cone liners over this page and all. Okay. Here I wanted one more. Here we can include the ears and then go for the flower in the tusk. For the ears, you just take a small ball, this size ball I am taking. Okay. I'm using this size of the ball. Just roll it in your hand, flatten it, and just flatten one side of the thing. So that like semicircle it comes. Okay. It comes like semicircle. Then place this portion directly upwards like this. You have to paste it. While pasting, it should be straight, perpendicular it should be. Okay. Before pasting, if you are you can use little glue and paste it. Okay. Very little glue, you just keep it. This is only for safety. By itself it will stick, but just to have a nice sticking, we are just making it like this. Okay, before leaving it here, no, before pasting, if you want, you can make some lines over here so that it looks like ear of Ganesha. It should be kept in such a way that it looks like Ganesha's ear, okay? Edges and all, you see that you are making it smooth. The side edges and all, you just make it smooth, okay? And here, this portion, I'm going to make a very small, tiny bud-like thing so that it is coming out of Ganesha's tusk, okay? Bud or some lotus-like thing also you can make it. For lotus-like tilakam shape, you make it like tilak. Then this side, both the side, you make it same way and fix it toward. Just fix it like this. And on this, if you want, you can give impressions like lines you can give. Very tiny, long lines you can make it. See, like this I have made it. Okay. This I am going to leave it here near to its tusk. Can you all see? I've left it here. You can just make it as if like it is holding it. Okay, Ganesha is holding this flower. And if you want to make this, it's a little more grand, make a tiny thing like this. Thread-like thing, you make it and make it like it is, everyone knows that he is Omkar, isn't it? Like you can make one small Om-like thing and place it near to it. Okay? Keep it like Om. Like Hindi Om itself, you can make it. It will look cute. Very slowly, if it is sticking to your hand, apply little powder so that you can make it properly. Since because this activity, it is very tiny, you need to be very careful while doing it. Okay, the front part of the thing, I think everyone can see this. This, if you want, you can place it somewhere near here. Or top, if you with the flower, if you want, you can paste it. Okay, this portion I thought I can keep it, but here we don't have enough space. So better if it has to be visible, you can place it separately here. Okay. I'll apply little glue and just place it. And one more tiny thing, you make it and keep it like a crescent. If everyone can make this, do it. Otherwise, don't want. Okay. Small, everything very tiny, we need to make it. like small crescent you make it and just place it over here. If you want, you can make one ball also over that place, you can leave it. Everyone, just you can see this. This is the finished thing, like with molded, we have done it. Let it dry for a few minutes. Till then, I'll show you leaf Ganesha, how we have to do. Okay? Very easy only, like I'll show you how to make the leaf Ganesha. This everyone are clear, I think, isn't it? I'll go for the next one. I'll take little more clay. The same way you can use this Ganesha also. It should not be heavy and all. Like fridge magnet, totally. If you want, we can make Ganesha or we can make some other thing. Leaf Ganesha is very simple. Like 5 leaves are needed for that. That's all. 1 for the body, head, 2 for the hand and legs. Or you want me to show some other thing also, I can show you. You want to see the image? Like what we have made? Just observe like how I have done. I think now it is clear for you all.
It's blur. Keep it little away from the camera.
Now is it okay? I'll just see. Is it okay? Like everyone can view this?
It's still blur.
It's still blurred. Now? Is it visible? Okay, next thing we can go for some other work like for Christmas and all, we will be giving gift, no, like that shall we do? It's a very simple thing only. If you want, you can make something like cotton, you can make it.
Savi, we can't see the impressions properly in that Ganesha. It's not clear.
Impression, it is impressions, it's only line impressions. Okay.
No,
here
we are not able to see the clear picture at all.
I don't know what happened.
Okay.
Just observe the thing. If you try, it will come out nicely only. Okay, no need to worry at all. It will come out nicely. The same method you follow, it is audible only, isn't it? Like you can follow the same method and do it. The other one, what we are going to, if the connection gets cut, you can just join the link with the same link. Okay. One very cute, when small one, we can make it. Okay, Ganesha, everyone, I don't think so. You can do it. So I'm trying to teach you some other thing like hearten. You make it. Okay, like hearten shape. Hearten shape. How will you get? Take a small clay. Just roll it and pure drop. You make it. Flatten it with your fingertip. Same way. And when you get the thing like this, you can use either pen or pencil, anything you can use, and just give one push over the top, okay? One small push you have to give here, and then take it to your hand with your thumb finger. If you press on both sides, you will get cute cotton, okay? Cute cottons you will get. So adjust the shape according to it. In this, if you want, you can write your initial or something you can write. Even after painting, you can keep it on this. Small initials you can make, and you can make this as a keychain or fridge magnet, anything. Magnet at last only we'll be pasting it, okay? So after finishing, after drying, after coloring, everything finished, at last you'll be pasting the magnet at the back with Fevicol A plus you can use, better sticking will be there. Okay, Fevicol A plus you can have a very good sticking. Okay, on this what we are going to do is 2 candles I am going to keep it here, and here cute flowers I am going to make. Okay. For that also you need to take only very small amount of clay, okay? Thread like thing you have to make it. Thread like thing you make it and just roll it like this. Just by rolling like this you will get something like a flower. Like it will look like a rose bud, okay? Rose or rose bud like that it will look. See, like just by rolling we'll be getting it. Just place it wherever you want. I wanted it to be kept here near the hottens, okay? This portion of the hotten. This portion of the hotten, I wanted it to be. So I'm making little more thin threads. I'm making one flower bigger. I have made it in the center, and the other just roll it like this. Like spiral, you roll it. And one more flower, I have kept it here, okay? Actually, now running out of time, I think. If the connection goes off, no need to worry. You can join again with the same link. Make thread like things like this. Just roll it. You can apply even glue and place it, but just now only we have mixed it, isn't it? So it is sticking it nicely. You can stick it as such like that. Like 3 flowers we have made, and very cute leaves you can make it and paste it towards it. See, everything you see that it is little bit embossed, okay? Otherwise it will lie flat. It will not look good. If you wanted 3D effects and all, it has to be lifted and kept. Just by placing it like this itself, it will stick nicely. If you want, you can make 2 hottens and you can make the. I've kept leaves. On the top, I need to do 2 of the candles. Candles, it is very easy. Like small, thick thing, we have to do it like this. That rope itself, little shorter you make it. Just try to place it here. Let it not be very long and all. Let it be very short only. Like one of the handle bigger and the other one little shorter than that I'm going to make. Small tube like things you make it, okay? Very small tube like things you make it like this. And just place it nearby. Okay? Then this is going to be an intricate thing. Don't press it to place where you are keeping it. Look, okay, there and all. You have to apply little powder and keep it. Otherwise, it will stick to the place where you are doing the work. See, very small, tiny hole-like thing I'm making at the top. And in this here, I'm going to add one very thin, more than this thin, very small thread-like thing I'm making. And just place it inside like this. So it look like flame, okay? Just place it like this. If you have mixed it now only, it will come out very well. Otherwise, you need to apply little glue and paste it. So this is what the other work like I have made it. Okay. If you want in the horton, you can give some impressions like this. See, you can give impressions like this. If you want, you can do it. Otherwise, leave it. Okay. This will also, it is nice thing like for gifting and all, it will be very nice. Okay. You can decorate your fridge in a great way. Whatever thing you want, you can make it. Okay. I'll allow this to dry. This has become a little bit better. I'll show you how to color this. Okay. I'm having little more clay so that I can make little some other attachments I can do. These both only now we are done. Okay. For leaves and all, if you want, you can give the center vein impressions. Just a small line I'm making it, that's all. The same way you can make one mushroom like thing also, you can make anything, whatever you feel like, you can very well make with this molded. Okay. I'm making it one more small horton. I'm going to paste it near because I've got extra clay. If we leave it also, it will dry and it will be a waste only. Take some tool, just give some small depression like this and just pasting it here. Okay, two of the thing we have made, like one bigger one and one smaller one. For Mother's Day and all, such a cute gifts and all you can give very well. For this horton also, if you want, you can give impressions or you can write your any of the initials you can put. That if you want, you can do it even with the cone liners. Cone liner is such a nice product that we can use it for all the purpose. While giving impressions and all, see that you are doing it very